Well, good afternoon. It's Valentine's Day, about 4:30 in the afternoon. And I've been working all day long, taking care of business on the docks. My Valentine's Day gift to myself is I can walk out to the end of the dock and I installed a ladder. So I can now get down to my float and get on my boat. Yeah, it's a milestone. Happy Valentine's Day to me. What I still got to do, and I'm working on it, is I've been dismantling the sections of decking, my main decking. I got almost all the boards off the east-west western section of the east-west. I don't know how to describe this. It's an L-shaped deck, a couple hundred square feet. It's 90 degrees off. It's supposed to go from like this direction here to this direction here, and I'm working on it. That's my end of February, March project. Get this stuff together, and I'll be back to normal, and then just rebuild my lift. I got to replace a motor like that on this side, because this whole thing was up and off the lift poles and down into the mud. It's been fun, but I'm working on it. Catch you later.